you?
I'm fine.
Okay. What did you do today? What did you do today, Chair?
I just play badminton with teacher Tom, and I went back at home and talked to you. And
Wow,
I also play with my brother about the dog, and I go into the bath.
wow, you've done a
But
lot today.
my shirt didn't get wet. I just um, I just put my legs on the bath.
Wow, great job. You've done a lot today. Now, how's the weather in your place? How's the weather?
It's pretty good and normal.
Is it sunny?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, I will share my screen for our lesson. Wait a minute. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your scheme.
Okay. Now, this is our lesson about. Can you please read this one?
Science the sky above.
Very good, teacher. Okay, the sky above. Now, if you hear the word sky, what comes first in your mind?
What?
If if you hear the word sky, what comes first in your mind?
It come come in my mind.
Hmm. What? How do you describe or what is sky for you?
Sky.
Yes.
Describe.
Yes.
Describe about what?
You describe the sky. What is sky?
Sky is a cloud.
Yes.
Mm, it's in the. It's near the sun.
Very good. Great job, Chair. Okay. So when we hear the word sky, the first thing or the first word that comes first our mind, for
I
sure,
want to go
clouds.
to heaven. Heaven has a cloud, and I
Right.
want to fly.
Right. Yes, you're right. So we are talking about above, right? Above, like near the sun, the clouds, the sky, the airplane, right? And sometimes rain because sometimes the rain comes from the sky, right? From the clouds. Now, since our topic is about the sky above, so we will be talking about how its characteristics, how it happened, and what it's doing above. Now, here are the vocabulary under the topic of the sky above. Can you please read each of the vocabulary?
Molecule consists atom, clutter, set, quarter.
All right, very good, Chair. Okay, so first, let's read it again. Molecule.
Molecule,
One more time. Molecule.
molecule
Very good. Next one. Consist.
consists
Very good. Consist.
consists
Next one. Atom.
atom,
Next one. Scatter.
starter,
Next one. Set.
set,
Very good. And next one is quarter.
quarter,
Quarter.
quarter.
It's not quarter, it's quarter. Okay. So now,
Quarter.
consist atom, scatter, set, and quarter. These 6 words of vocabulary we will be covered or learn from this lesson. Okay, now, if you hear the word molecule, what does it mean? For you, what is molecule? Yes? Do you know or not?
What?
Do you know what does it mean of molecule or not?
Molecule?
Yes?
Molecule means molecule atom.
You're searching it. Okay, now, let's continue. Here the 2 trivia about the sky. Okay, can you please read this one?
The sky is made of gas molecules. Stars make their own light.
Very good, Chair. Okay, the sky is made of gas molecules. Okay, you remember?
Okay.
The sky is made of gas, okay? And the stars make their own light. The star make their own light. Okay? You remember these 2 trivia because we will learn more about it. Now, before that, can you please read this one?
The moon looks smaller. This is far away from the earth.
Now, if the moon is near to the earth, for sure the moon will be bigger, right? But since that the earth since the moon is farther or far away from the earth, that is why it is so little. But if the moon, this is the moon, for example, this is the moon, and this is the earth. If the moon moves closer to the earth, it will be bigger because the moon is bigger than the earth. Okay?
Okay.
Now, let's ponder or think about this question. Can you please read the 2 questions?
Big and big. Big.
Yes?
Big and big.
This one, these 2 questions, can you please read this one?
Why does the sky appear blue? How large is the moon?
Very good. Okay. First question. Why does the sky appear blue? And second question, how large is the moon? Now, we can answer this question after the lesson. Now, let's start here. Can you please read the title and then
the sky above?
Okay.
The sky is made up of gas molecules. The molecules usually consist of 2 or more atoms. The sky appears blue because of the stirring of sunlight by the molecules. The sunlight and the air, the sky, and the earth during the day. The sun energies warm the air, land, and water. At night, there are stars and moon in the sky. Stars make their own light. They look much smaller than Because they are far away from the earth. The moon rises and sets in the sky. The moon is about a quarter the size of the earth. It does not make.
Are you done?
Yes, done.
Are you sure?
Sure.
You're not yet done.
Where is all light? It is lit up by the sun as it goes around the earth.
Wait a minute.
Done.
Are you done?
Done, Dad.
Okay. All right. Very good, Chair. Now, I'll read it again.
Done.
Okay. You follow. Okay. Now, the sky is made up of gas molecules. Okay. You remember this one. The sky is made of gas molecules, meaning there is no solid or liquid found in the sky. It's all gas, the clouds, everything. Okay, so a molecule usually consists of two or more atoms. Okay, how many atoms?
How many atoms?
How many atoms consists of molecule?
What?
How many atoms consists the molecule?
How atom kiss the molecule? You mean kiss?
How many atoms? I'm asking for the number of atoms. It said here it's two or more, okay?
Okay.
Very good. Now, the sky appears blue because of the scattering of sunlight by the molecules. Okay, scattering. This is the reason why the sky looks blue, because of the sunlight by the molecules. Now, the sunlight, the sky, and the earth during the day. The sun's energy warms the air, land, and water, okay?
Okay.
At night, there are stars and the moon in the sky. Stars make their own light. They look much smaller than they are because they are far away, okay? So what is the reason why they look much smaller?
What?
Why does the stars look much smaller?
Because they're far away from the earth.
Very good. Great job, Cher. The moon rises and sets in the sky. The moon is about a quarter the size of the earth. It does not make up its own light. It is lit up by the sun as it goes around the earth. Now, the stars can make their own light. Meanwhile, the moon cannot. The moon here, the moon only depends to the sun, okay? If the moon moves around the earth, it reflects the sun's light, okay? That's why it has a light. You got it?
You got it.
Okay. Now, let's do the comprehension checkup. Let's see if you really understand the article about the sky above. All right, let's start with number one. Can you please read the question number one and the three options?
What is the story about?
Read the three options.
The sky that what we can see in it. The sun and the moon, the stars and the earth.
Now, what is the story about, Cher?
What?
What is the story about? What is the answer?
The stars and earth.
You are
What?
wrong. The sky. The correct answer is the sky and what we can see in it. Okay? Because we are talking about the sky, and the sky we can see moon and stars, right? Yes?
I.
Okay, number 2. Please read number 2 and the 3 options.
What makes the sky look blue?
What is the answer?
What makes the sky look blue?
Okay, read the 3 options.
Blue atoms, the staring of sunlight, blue molecules.
Okay, read this one again. Scattering.
Scattering.
One more time. Scattering.
Scattering.
Very good. This one, molecules.
Molecules.
Very good. Okay. We have first scattering and the second one is molecules. Now, the question is, what makes the sky look blue? Now, what is the answer, Cher?
What makes the sky look blue?
What makes the sky look blue? What is the answer?
Is the
What is the answer, Cher?
staring of sunlight.
Very good. The scattering of sunlight. Great job. Number 3. Please read the question and please read the 3 options.
How large is the moon? About the same size as the earth, about half the size of the earth, about a quarter the size of the earth.
Sorry, wait a minute. Okay. Okay. How large is the moon? So what is the answer for number 3?
How large is the moon?
Yes.
It's about the about the same size as the earth.
You are wrong. The answer is letter C. Okay. About a quarter of the size of the earth. Look at the picture. Oh, look at the size of the moon and the size of the earth. Right? Just a quarter size. Okay? Okay. Now, let's go with the true or false. You will choose true if the statement is correct, and you will choose false if it is incorrect. Okay, now let's start with number 1. Can you please read number 1?
And number one, an anchor consists of two or more molecules.
Okay. Number one, an atom consists of two or more molecules. Now, is it true or false?
An atom consists of more or more of molecules.
Yes, is it true or false?
Is yes.
Very good. It is true. How about number two?
Stars cannot make lights by themselves.
Okay, stars cannot make light by themselves. Now, is it true or false?
Stars cannot make lights by themselves.
So, is it true or false? Yes. Is it true or false?
Yes.
Wrong. It's false. Stars can make light by themselves. So this statement is false. All right?
Alright.
Okay. How about number three? Can you please read number three?
Number 3, the earth, land, and water. The air, land, and water were not burned by the sun energy.
So the air, land, and water are warmed by the sun's energy. Is it true or false?
The air, land, and water are warmed up by the sun energy.
Yes. Is it true or false?
The air and true.
Very good. This is true. Great job, Cher. Okay, you got 3/3. Yay! Okay, first we have an atom consists of two or more molecules. This is true. Okay, stars cannot make light by themselves. This is false because stars can make light by themselves. Only the moon rather, cannot make light by themselves because the moon only depends to the sunlight. Okay, when the sunlight mirror or reflect to the sun to the moon, it bounces. That's why when here in the earth we can see that the moon has light, right? You got it?
Right.
You got it?
Right.
Okay, next we have number three. The air, land, and water are warmed by the sun's energy, and this is correct. Okay, the reason why everything here, like for example, the forest, the water, the land, sometimes it is hot or it is heated because of the sun's energy. Again, we have daylight, and daylight serve as, to give light, because if there's no daylight, it is dark in the earth. Okay, so that's why it is true. Now, let's try to match the words with their meanings. Okay, let's try to match the words from 1 to 4 to their meanings from A to D. Now, let's start with the word number one. What is the word? What is the word?
Scatter.
Scatter. Now, what letter match the word scatter?
Scatter.
Yes.
What is the what?
Again, sir, please listen. Okay. The word here from 1 to 4, let's try to match from their meanings to this one, okay? So let's find the meaning of scatter from this column, okay? Now choose what letter match the word scatter.
Gather.
What letter?
What? What letter?
The word scatter, okay? Let's try to find its definition or meaning, okay? So, which of these four here is the meaning of scatter?
What is the meaning of scatter?
Yes.
Is the
What letter? Tell me what letter.
only letter?
Yes.
Letter A.
It's letter B, to move in different directions. Okay, scatter means that it moves to different directions. Scattering. That's how it explained. Now, the word, what is the second word?
All right.
Light. Okay, now what letter match the word light?
Light. So for light in a plate.
What letter?
Letter A.
Very good. To provide light in a place. Great job. Number 3. What is the word in number 3?
Set.
Set.
To
Very good.
move lower in the sky and to disappear.
Great job. To move lower in the sky and to disappear. Great job. Number 4. What is
Four.
okay, 4. Now, what is the answer for number 4? What letter?
C.
Great job. What is the meaning of 4?
It's not far. Yeah, it's not near.
Very good. Okay, great job. Okay, scatter again. The meaning of scatter is to move in different directions. Number 2, light, to provide light in a place. Number 3, set, is to move lower in the sky and to disappear. Number 4, far, meanings it not near. Okay. Now, let's choose the correct words to fill in the blanks. Okay, let's complete the sentence. Number 1, can you please read number 1 and
Number
pick the
1.
missing word?
The sky is made up of gas.
What word is the missing word? It's
The sky is made up of gas.
gas molecule. Number 2. Number 2, what is number 2?
The sun brings the sky and the earth during the day.
So what is the word? The
Light.
word is light. Number 3.
The moon rise and plants in the sky.
It's
Set.
number 4 is
The moon is planned up by the sun as it goes around the earth.
very
It's lit.
great job. Now, we are done with our class. Sure, thank you so much for coming. Okay, you can now